Let's play Guess the Animal. Go ahead and tap on a question mark. Goose. Excellent. What beautiful white bird lives on the lakes? Swan. Yes. Duck. Keep it up. Pig. Great job. Cow. Way to go. Hen. Good thinking. Rooster. Nice. Horse. Exceptional. Who looks like a little horse? Pony. Perfect. Sheep. That's the way. Who is very stubborn? Donkey. You did it. Goat. You've got it. Great job. You guessed all the animals on this level. Now tap on the animals and learn fun facts. Cow. Most cows live on a farm. They are very calm and almost never hurt people. Cows give us milk, and milk is very good for our bones. So if you want to be big and strong, drink a lot of milk. Swan. Swans look a lot like ducks, but are more fancy looking. Young swans look very simple. It is hard to believe that one day they will turn into beautiful swans. Mommy and daddy swans usually stay together their whole life and never leave each other. Duck. Ducks are very good swimmers. They come in different colors and sizes. People get fluff and meat from them. Pig. Pigs are very important farm animals. Pigs can eat almost anything. They like to take mud baths. They are not messy. It's just that mud protects them from the sun. Pigs have funny-looking noses. They are very good at smelling things. Goose. Some geese are wild, and some are calm. Geese are able to fly, and that is why people clip their wings, so they won't fly away. We get eggs, meat, and fluff from them. Rooster. Roosters are daddy chickens. They are much bigger than hens. Roosters like to have a lot of space. They fight anyone who gets too close. Hen. Hens are mommy chickens. They come in different colors and sizes. Chickens are very helpful for us. They give us yummy eggs and chicken legs. Their fluff is used for very cozy and warm blankets. Horse. Horses are very fast. A long time ago, people would use them to get around. Now we use cars. But people still ride horses for fun. goat. Goats have funny beards, which makes them look very interesting. We get a lot of good things from them, like milk, meat, and skin. They can eat any type of grass. Donkey. Donkeys look like horses, but they are much smaller and have long ears. Donkeys are very stubborn animals. Some people can also be stubborn like a donkey. Do you know anyone like that? Sheep. Sheep are fluffy and white. There are lots of different kinds of sheep. We get meat and wool from sheep. Wool is used to make things like clothes and comfy blankets. Pony. Ponies are so small, people think they are baby horses, but they are really a special kind of a horse. Ponies can carry a lot of weight.